Hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Grammarly app to improve your writing, whether drafting emails or documents or social media posts. So let's get started. As you can see here, we're gonna head toward our BlueStacks in our device here. So I'm using an Android emulator. So to get the Grammarly app, you just go to the Play Store and and install it. As you can see here, I already installed the app. So I can just type here and check my grammar and stuff like that. But you can also introduce this in your keyboard. So after you download that, you go to your settings. So we're gonna go to our settings here. Start in dark mode, why not? But we're going to the settings of our phone, not that one. That's the emulator. Okay, here we go to settings. Then we find input keyboard, then virtual keyboard, manage keyboard, Grammarly. Okay, okay. Then we're gonna turn it on. That it needs a reboot. So after you reboot your computer, after you turn that on, you are able to use Grammarly and its features like autocorrect and grammar and suggestions when you type on the keyboard. So you can use it in Gmail and in other stuff. So like Gmail messaging and conference too. You can also use it for, you know, you can also use it in PC. So when you use it on PC, you just need to, um, you just need to get the extension. So as you see here, wait, I have the Grammarly extension here. So let's go to a random docs. So we just go to a docs file here, and we're just gonna go here, and we're gonna go blank document right here, and I'm just gonna sample. I'm gonna misspell something, so I'm gonna misspell flower. There we go. Is not good to smell. I think I don't know. So I'm gonna type that. So this is our test here. So as you see here, I have my Grammarly autocorrect. Not good. There we go. Then yeah, it fixes small mistakes like that. It also fix grammatical error right here. Change the accept. See as you here. You can also have an idea here, like improve it, make it more persuasive. Then we can just insert that right there. So that's like one of the tools that you can use in Grammarly, where you can insert or change stuff here. So I have a sample right there, as you see here. My whole sentence changed thanks to Grammarly, and you can just review that if that's good. And yeah, guys, that's how I use Grammarly. That's how you install it, and that's how you use it in apps in Android and in PC. So if you like the video, be sure to like and subscribe and turn on the notification. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.